What's up guys, Joey here of Tech, and Xiaomi has finally revealed its newest and most affordable 5G smartphone, the Redmi Note 90 5G. It's powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 800U chipset, so needless to say we're pretty excited about this new handset. So why don't we go ahead and unbox this baby, shall we? The phone comes in this typical Redmi packaging. Simple, no fuss, yet eco-friendly. Right after you take off the lid, you'll immediately see this smaller paper packaging for the documents and whatnot, but let's go ahead and take out the phone. Going back to the smaller packaging, we can see the SIM ejector pin, the warranty and manuals, as well as the usual clear jelly case for the phone. Then we dig down further into the box to see the USB Type-C charging cable and the wall charger. That's it. Anyway, going back to the phone itself, peeling off this plastic wrapper, we're greeted by this unit in an unusual daybreak purple color. The device feels pretty good in the hands, quite light to be frank considering its size. Now, starting off with the display. The Redmi Note 90 5G uses a 6.53-inch IPS LCD with a Full HD Plus resolution or 2340 by 1080. It's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, but what's more surprising is that 90Hz refresh rate, so it's gonna be great for mobile gaming. The power button on the right also serves as a fingerprint scanner, and just below that is the volume rocker. Up top is the secondary noise cancelling microphone, a speakerphone, and what could be an IR blaster to be used as a remote control for your home appliances. At the bottom end, there's the USB Type-C port, the primary microphone, speaker grills, and a 3.5mm headphone port. The back panel is made of polycarbonate material with a slightly textured finish to fend off fingerprints and smudges. It also helps for an added grip or hold of the device, and apparently this design was also made to be water repellent. The circular camera module houses 3 cameras plus an LED flash. This consists of a 48-megapixel primary sensor with face detection autofocus, a secondary 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and the third one is a 2-megapixel sensor for shooting macro shots. Shots look pretty good in our initial tests, and video recording can go up to 4K at 30 FPS for the rear camera. Now for the front camera, we get a 13-megapixel sensor that can do 1080p videos. We'll share more samples in our full review. Powering the Note 90 is again MediaTek's new Dimensity 800U 5G chipset, which is composed of a dual Cortex A76 running at a maximum speed of 2.4 GHz, and a hexa-core Cortex A55 running at 2 GHz. This is then paired with a Mali G57MC3 GPU. Now our review unit comes with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, but there's also a variant with 4GB of RAM but with 64GB internal storage. Now our initial Antutu benchmark score gave us a little over 300,000 points. For software, the Note 90 runs on a custom MIUI 12 on top of Android 10, and for battery, the Note 90 comes with a 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. So far, we're really liking the features from the Redmi Note 90 5G. We have a new chipset, we have a high refresh rate, we have a large battery, and of course, 5G capability. For a more complete evaluation, guys, be sure to stay tuned for our full review. Now, what do you guys think about the Redmi Note 90 5G? Let us know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit ugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.